Are you thinking about renovating your home and curious about what renovation trends are currently in? Well, I'm going to tell you 7 renovations that are on trend right now. In today's market, we are seeing a big push towards sustainability and eco-friendly renovations. Certain examples of this would be low-flow fixtures, water-efficient appliances, LED lighting, and tankless water heaters, to mention a few. Smart home upgrades are also very on trend and include things like smart switches, outlets, and thermostats that are all tied into a Wi-Fi and usually controlled by some sort of app. Number 2. Bespoke trim and tile. There's been a big emphasis on custom detailing in homes, such as mosaic tiling, custom trim, and more materials that add character and charm. Color washing and drenching with deep dark colors, where you see darker colors on the walls and sometimes even on the ceilings. You see bolder expressions in the paint, where things are not just neutral all throughout. Number 3. Some sort of room that's a retreat for an adult. A space dedicated strictly to leisure and activities such as a craft room or a meditation room or a yoga studio or you name it, whatever it may be. Somewhere to escape from the responsibilities. Number 4. Bolder bathrooms are in. There's been an increased emphasis on patterns, bolder colors, wallpapering, and a cozier and more comfort-based atmosphere. Number 5. Dramatic kitchen islands. Kitchen islands have become the centerpiece and focal point for the home. There's been a focus on dramatic stones and along with a setup for storage and entertaining via stools and plenty of counter space for foods. Things like waterfall edges are something that you're going to see a lot of. Quick TV timeout. If you are in the Maryland, DC, Virginia area and you're looking to renovate your house and want some ideas of certain trends or want some referrals to contractors, please reach out. I'm happy to help. 301-452-3245, or you can reach me at the links in the description box below. Now back to the action. Number 6. Spacious butler pantries and appliance garages. This is one that has become increasingly popular in the past year or two, where the pantry has become increasingly oversized and will typically include lots and lots of storage for basic appliances and some basic prep area to get sandwiches and some foods prepared without messing up the primary kitchen. We are seeing them being more creatively designed, much more spacious, and often having some sort of appliance feature in there as well. And finally, number 7, vaulted ceilings and exposed brick. High ceilings have been on trend for years now, but the increased desire for additional architectural features has made vaulted ceilings, cathedral ceilings, and exposed beams in the ceilings in high demand. In addition, we're seeing the desire for exposed brick or stone or that creative raw element in the house become absolutely desirable and something that is a big selling feature in properties right now. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.